The California DREAM Act application allows undocumented students and documented non-resident students who meet the AB 540 and/or AB 2000 requirements to receive state grants, fee waivers, and scholarships. DREAM scholars can possibly receive institutional scholarships, institutional grants and loans, Cal Grants, and Board of Governor fee waivers. However, they are not eligible for federal Pell Grants, federal direct loans, or federal work study. You are eligible to file the California DREAM Act application if you are ineligible to file the FAFSA. And you also need to meet all AB 540 and/or AB 2000 requirements. If you think you are eligible, start your application at dream.csac.ca.gov. A few things to keep in mind. The application becomes available on October 1st and is due on March 2nd. You must reapply every academic year to receive financial aid. Please note that the application is based on tax information from the prior year. For example, if you are applying for the 2018-2019 academic year, you must use 2016 tax information. The application asks for demographic information, personal information for yourself and your family, financial information, and for you to create a user ID and password. Therefore, it is recommended that you have parents' federal income tax return if they filed, students' federal income tax return if you filed, W-2 forms for you and your parents, current bank statements, and current investment account statements. Let's get started. Go to dream.csac.ca.gov. If you have never completed a California DREAM application before, select Start a new DREAM app, otherwise select Login. You will be asked a series of questions to determine your eligibility to apply for the California DREAM Act application. The first question will ask whether or not you have a Social Security number. If you answered no, the second question will ask whether you meet AB 540 eligibility or not. If you answered yes to the first question, you will be asked if you obtained your SSN after use is granted DACA. If the answer is yes, then question number 3 will ask you if you meet AB 540 eligibility. Once the eligibility portion of the application is complete, you will then be asked to provide demographic information to create a username and password. Once you create your username and password, you will be asked to provide personal and financial information about yourself and your family. To finalize your application, you and your parents will be asked to e-sign. You can complete this step by going under the Signature tab of the application. Your parent can e-sign the application under the Confirmation tab. After completing the application, make sure to review the CalSAR tab to verify that all information is accurate. Remember that you can always save your work and come back to the application if you need to.